No, you ever get honked at to get asked for a cigarette?
No.
I guess my cousin just did.
So this is a 2001 Tahoe. I'm going to take off this condenser. We need to take off these. There's one back here. Usually two back here, but there's just one on this one. This upper hose and the bottom hose will probably take this light out, and we'll get this this condenser out. Let's see what we can do. This one. This one. Put those up there. Okay, so I'm pulling off these headlights. If you don't know how to take off your headlights, you have a problem. It's too easy. Everyone's gonna comment, well, how come you didn't show how to take off the lights? That's all I ever get.
You told me grab it, twist it, and pull it out, and that's
So
what
we need to get that one, that 13 and this 13 up here. Get this 10 out, get these 10s, and I'll have this sucker pulled right out. I know you're asking yourself, how am I gonna get this bolt out of there? We need one of these. Put it in there and get to work. So we're going to take this one off. Put that up there. Okay, just use your fingers to loosen the rest if you can.
That's funny as hell. You know, you're used to getting asked for a cigarette by a crackhead or this or that. No, you ever get honked at to get asked for a cigarette?
No.
I guess my cousin just did. Post on his story, he's like, this dude really just honked at me to ask for a cigarette. Like, what the fuck?
Wow. That's
like,
funny.
Bro, what?
Somebody use a small 13 to get up in here in this bottom one. Right there, see that? No problem. It's just better taking these lights out so you can see what you're doing. Okay, so there's that. Pull it out. This hose here comes right out. That's the top one there. The bottom one's right here. Pull it out. Just like that.
You don't care about this one no more.
No, he's taking it back warranty. Oh. I think it goes in here. Just like that? All right, go ahead. Thank you. Definitely. So we got this one in. This one's the bottom. We'll put it right there. Okay. Now we will grab, let's do these two to get all this back in position. Nice.